Here I have OnePlus Ace 2V, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So for this operation you'll need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card slot, which is located right here. So what you do, you put this tool inside this hole on the slot, slightly press it, and the slot pops out. So here from this side you have SIM 1, and from other side you have SIM 2 slot. So let's insert it SIM 1, and then you put it back into device just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.